If you're looking for an easy way to keep your sink spotless, sanitized, and free from bacteria, then you've come to the right place. Hey guys, it's Lucas here, and welcome back to another video here on the Eurow YouTube channel. And today we're going to be using 3 amazing products that's going to keep our sink clean and sanitized. We have our 12-layer microfiber rainbow sponge. Next, we have our double-sided wash and scour sponge, and finally, we have these amazing antimicrobial silver towels. Let's go ahead and clean this sink. First, we're gonna use our 12-layer microfiber rainbow sponge. What's great about these guys is that they're designed to have multiple layers, meaning when one layer gets soiled, all you have to do is peel and rip, and it will reveal a fresh new side. Also, this sponge is soft enough to not scratch the surface of your stainless steel or porcelain sink, but strong enough to tackle any buildup. Next, we have our double-sided wash and scour sponge. One side is great for washing because it's soft, and the other is great for scrubbing because it's abrasive, and it can tackle areas with lots of buildup and mineral deposits like the faucet and drains. All right, let's get to cleaning the sink. We're gonna move these plates out of the way, and this soap. And now we're gonna put our cleaning products in the sink. We're gonna start off with some dish soap, our bleach, finally we're gonna get our 12-layer sponge and cleaning paste right there. Now we're gonna get to scrubbing. It's good to go in a forwards and backwards motion. What's really great too, again, is that this sponge is not gonna scratch. And because of the microfiber, it's gonna pick up a lot of that buildup. As you can see, it's already starting to get all that food buildup and mineral deposits. Yeah, this sponge is really, really great. You can tell that it's already picked up so much. Sometimes this area gets overlooked, especially up here. And that's it. You can see how this is getting dirty, and we have many more uses with it before we have to peel it off. Grab some soap, a little bit of that water, and squeeze. Get that. Now we're gonna first start off with the faucet area. As you can see, the scour side is going to really just get all that buildup from inside the faucet. Grab this part right here. That gets completely overlooked when cleaning, even back here into the nooks and crannies. Perfect, now let's move on to the drain. What's great about this, it is very flexible and can get deep into the drain. Now it's time to wash the sink with hot water and move on to sanitizing. And the final step is to dry and sanitize the sink with our antimicrobial silver towels. These towels are designed with Novron, a silver-based agent embedded into the fibers of the towels, meaning it will prevent bacterial growth. Let's go ahead and get started. So it's picking up that water nicely. It's getting dry. Now it's getting sanitized and dry. One last final wipe. And there you have it, a shiny and sanitized sink. We use the rainbow sponge for a soft and gentle wash, the scour sponge for tackling those tough spots, and our antimicrobial silver towels to leave everything fresh and hygienic. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in grabbing these products, check the description below. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on social media, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.